Hello. So we have to study the anomalous secondary growth. It is two types, that is adaptive and non-adaptive. Then what are the causes of anomalous secondary growth? I mean, there are types. Normal position of cambium but abnormal activity. Second, abnormal position of cambium but normal activity. And third, formation of secondary tissues by accessory cambium rings. Then fourth part is abnormal cambium with abnormal behavior. सो पहले हम पढ़ने वाले हैं जो फास्ट टाइप था, जिसका एग्जाम्पल है बिग्नोनियई, बोहोनियई, मेलोआ एंड आरिस्टोलोचिया. देखिए, when the cambium rings start to produce xylem with large lumen, four opposite small segments of cambium rings fail to produce secondary xylem, but they produce more of secondary phloem to the outside. The other segments of cambium rings go on producing secondary phloem to the outside and secondary xylem to the inner side. As a result, four packets of phloem are formed in the cylinder of secondary xylem. As a result, cambium is no longer as a ring but forms 8 stripes. To prevent the crossing of the soft secondary phloem, bars of sclerenchyma are present which appear parallel to the surface of the stem. This anomalous type of secondary growth in lianas, it is an adaptation to their habit. Then shock absorber, secondary phloem which often present among the secondary xylem act as a shock absorber. The cambium is normal, forming cambium ring of intra and interfascicular cambium stripes. In Aristolochia, the primary vascular bundles are conjoined, collateral, and open. The individual bundles are of different sizes and remain separated by wide interface region. By the activity of inter and intrafascicular cambium, the intrafascicular cambium produces secondary xylem to the inner side and a secondary phloem to the outer side. But the interfascicular cambium segments behave abnormally and produce ray parenchyma cells on either sides. Here, ray parenchyma is elongated, so the production of secondary vascular tissue is restricted to the vascular bundles. ये था इसका फास्ट पार्ट. ठीक है. और 3 पार्ट्स और हैं, उसको हम इसके बाद अपलोड कर देंगे.